Once upon a time, a giant came to a shepherd who was looking after horses.
Hey shepherd, listen to me. Go to your neighborhood and tell them I eat one horse per day. After 2-3 months, when I will fulfill my stomach, I won't disturb you and leave you alone. Therefore, we will have a good deal. Do we get each other?
Okay, says shepherd, I understand you. And that day, the giant take one horse with himself. After giant left, the shepherd goes to the people of his village and tells what happened to him. Listen to me, everybody. I met a giant in the mountains, and he told me if he will take one horse from camp every day, he won't disturb us anymore and leave us forever. For the sake of our children, let's listen to the giant and do what he tells so, says an old man. Right, let's do so. From that moment, people will start giving one animal from the stock every day.
Good. I was so hungry lately. Give me more fatter animals if you don't want me to lose my temper.
Days go by days as giant receives his own needs and wants. As giant receives what he wants, he forgets about his own promise.
Where is that shepherd? Why it takes so long? My stomach is empty. Or is he testing my anger? Oh, there you are. Where have you been? I've been waiting for you for hours. For this, you will give me 2 more animals from your stock.
Okay, responds shepherd.
And you, I guess I will eat you now and go to sleep. I'm so sorry. No offense. This is life.
My master, these are the horses left. What should we do? The giant is not planning to leave. Let's wait, says master. Maybe the giant will keep his promise. He will definitely not do this. I and my people have already experienced that. He gave us the same promise, but then he came to our village and attacked us. We barely escaped, so you should come up with an idea, otherwise he will come to you. What a sorrow! I can't believe we believed him. We must go to the forest and make an arrow out of the wood. We can't kill him with a simple arrow. We must injure him, and only then we can get rid of him. What do you say, people? We agree with you. You're right. That day, they all went to the forest. They cut the tree and made an arrow. They put the arrow on the stone and stretched it by the tree. You, shepherd, go to the giant and trick him. Make him come here to this arrow. We will all wait for you. Okay.
Oh, there you are. Where are the animals I asked you for? What, are you deaf? Or are you really testing my anger? Or do you want me to come to your village and ruin their everything?
Please, don't be angry. I brought the animals, but they are behind that mountain. They are waiting for you to eat.
Watch your words. I'll go and check it. If they will not be there, you're gonna be my meal instead of them. Go take your horse. Let's go. Show me. Okay, let's go.
As Giant comes with a shepherd without any doubt, Shepherd brings him to the place and runs away on his horse.
Hey you, stop. Wait, I'm telling you to wait.
Shoot!
I'm begging you, please don't kill me. I won't do anything. I won't bother you. I will leave you alone.
You deserve it. Well, now you understand how we felt, right?
How many villages I have ruined, but I have never seen such strong, brave, and united people like you. I'm so sorry. Please let me go. I won't disturb you anymore. I will leave you alone forever.
You see what we can do? Don't mess with us. You better leave.
Okay, I understand. Okay, master, I admit my fault. I will not disturb anyone.
Look at him running. If he stops, shoot immediately. He must not come back. The giant runs away beyond those mountains, and nobody sees him ever after. And after a while, people eventually increase the amount of their stock. This story happened among those Kyrgyz mountains.